Renaissance included much that was not found in art and literature. In economic life, for instance, the simple agricultural ways of the manner were altered by commerce and industry. So whatever was not there in the traditional art and literature or economic life all included Renaissance. For example, traditionally the manner cultivated the agriculture fields, but it was replaced in the Renaissance period by big industries and commerce. Similarly, social relationship, the manor, the nobleman's castle, and the bishop's palace gave way to the crowded and busy towns. So, towns and cities replaced all the traditional architect places like the manor, the nobleman's castle, and the bishop's palace. So, big towns came in their place. In the political sphere, there was a new consciousness manifested in the decline of the feudal lords and the papacy and the rise of powerful monarchies and nation states. So in the political sphere, similarly, the feudal lords, role of feudal lords, and the papacy became the popes became less and less significant, and in their place, powerful monarchs, and nation states emerged. In the scientific field, similarly, astronomy, physiology, and medicine were investigated with sound scientific procedure instead of the old method of theological scholasticism. So in the scientific field also, like in astronomy or physiology or medicine, all this was studied through new scientific procedure, and the old theological or theoretical scholarly notes and all the scholasticism were replaced by modern scientific approach. So these are some characteristics of the Renaissance period.